Layered taco salad has all the flavors of tacos piled on top of each other in a trifle dish. It's easy to make ahead for a potluck or party and will feed a crowd. Brown and crumble 1 pound of ground beef. Add 2/3 cup water and 1 packet of taco seasoning. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes and then let cool. In a 3-quart glass bowl, layer 1 head chopped iceberg lettuce, 1 can black beans, some yellow corn, 1 diced cucumber, and then spread the cooled taco meat on top. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup sour cream, a half a cup salsa, and 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Spread on top of the ground beef and then sprinkle with 1 cup of shredded cheese. Next, arrange circles of grape tomatoes, black olives, red onion, and diced avocado. Top with 1 cup of crushed Doritos and some chopped fresh cilantro. Serve right away or chill until ready to serve. Find more great recipes at spicysouthernkitchen.com.